Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun and I am a student from NIT Patna, technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you guys how we declare an operators based upon number of operands. Okay, so in my last lecture, I have given a basic introduction to classification of operators and also the basic difference of operators based upon number of operands. Okay, so in this lecture I'm gonna given brief explanations of how we declare in an C program with the help of code block software. Okay, let me give an example for unary operator. So in unary operator, unary operator basically what we do is we try to operate on only one operands. Okay, so let me declare an variable a. Okay, and then I declare another variable as b. So now what we try to we're going to find the address of a. Okay, so if I declare a value of a as a 0, okay, so to find the order of 5, let me assign the value as 5. Now we're going to assign the value of b with an address of a. Okay, now I'm going to print the value of a and the b here. So this new slash n is for a new line and then comma and then b. Okay, now I'm gonna run this program. Yes, this actually the value of 5 I have defined as an defined for an variable a. Okay, and the b this value is actually a address for an variable a. Okay, so what we done here is we done with a unary operator where we used only one operator which is performing an operation on this operand. Okay, so now let me give an example of next. Suppose if you want to find if you're doing a logical negation, what we try to do here is we use a single operator of exclamatory. Okay, and then I can run the program. Okay, so what we actually try to do here is we are doing a simple operation. Okay, simple operative with only one operator. Okay, we are operating on a single operand. Okay, so here the operands are b and a. Okay, so if you are doing an operators like plus plus. Okay, the plus plus is an operator of incremental operator. Okay, so now if I write the program. Okay, what happened here is the value of a is incremented to 6 and the value it's like a it's a post increment operator. Okay, so for a brief explanation of this increment operator, I'll explain you guys in the future lecture video. So just one, I just given a brief about how a unary operator works. Okay, unary operators it's working on only one operand. Okay, there is no more one more operands. Okay, so if you are operating on two operands, then that is named as a binary operator. Okay, let me give an example for that also. Suppose if I assign the value b equal to 5 and then I declare one more variable, it's end c. Okay, now what we gonna do is we gonna multiply this value. Okay, so for that I use this operator b, starch b. This starch represents it's a multiplication symbol. Okay, now I have to use one more variable. Okay, so c equal to percentage d. This percentage d actually represents the integer for printing the value of integer. Okay, so now I have to use variable c. Okay, now I run this program. Okay, I got a multiplication of 5 is at 25, 5 into 5 is at 25. Okay, so what happening here is we are trying to do an operation on two operands. Okay, so a single operator which is performing on two operands is a it's named as an binary operator. Okay, so let me rename it. Okay, so this is a binary operators where we perform operation on two variables, I mean, operands. Okay, so if I want to give one more example, so I can say that in case if you are trying to use an if else condition. Okay, so at that condition what you try to do is if a equal to b. Okay, so what happening here is we try to find the similarity or equality between the two operands a and b with these equality conditions. Okay, so this is another example of binary operator. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to explain you guys about ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator, it's basically working on three operands. Okay, so what happening here is if I want to say that it's a c, in case if it's a equal to b. Okay, then I say if the condition is true, then I say it's value is 1, or else I gonna assign that to 0. Okay, so this is how I define it. What happened here is if a value matches with b, then I say I am assigning the value of c to 1. If it is a failing, then if it is not equal, then it should be 0. Okay, okay, now you can find it here. I have given the value of a as a 5 and then b as a 5. So as a equal to b, it matches, then the value of c is assigned to 1. Okay, so now if we change the value to 4, okay, what happens if I assign to 4? Then yeah, it becomes 0. Okay, if as 5 is now equal to 4, so the value is assigned to 0. So here what happening here is we are performing operation of 4 operand. The operands are a, b, 1 and 0. Okay, so this is named as a ternary operators. Okay, because it's operating on 4 operands. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. For more classification of an operators based upon role of operators, I'll be explaining you guys in the next lecture video. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. If you have any comments or doubts, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you.